So today we are going to talk about why most of the interior design companies and interior designers fails when it's come to planning their digital marketing strategies and doing digital marketing and how they can fix it. See, in today's world, digital marketing has become a very crucial part of your business. You have a good operation team, you have a good HR team, you have a good finance team. No matter all of the team how good are, if your marketing and sales teams are not working well, your company will not going to survive for a long period of time, because marketing and sales is a backbone of your company nowadays. If you're not getting consistent revenue, consistent sales and consistent cash flow in your business, ultimately you are moving towards the dead end. And how you can fix it is there are multiple ways you can work on your digital marketing spectrum. Nowadays you need to stop calling yourself that you are planning to do digital marketing. In digital marketing there are numerous amount of things. When it's come to SEO, in SEO also there are numerous things. In paid ads there are numerous things. In social media there are hundred of things. So there is no specific limit at which that if you do all these things you are doing digital marketing. And doing digital marketing in 2025 2026 beyond that will not going to help you. You need to do a specific part of digital marketing, and you become good at it, and you crack that code, and you scale that beyond, and then you focus on rest of the things properly. Like if you see in many businesses, 20% of the products brings 80% of the revenue. Same is with digital marketing. Your 20% effort in digital marketing will brings 80% of the result. So you need to focus on that 20%, what actually is bringing you result. In my experience, what brings most of the results, what brings most of the cash flow, ROI and profits in the company is working on good paid advertising medium. See, in 2024, 2025, 2026, before that organic thing was really good, but now organic thing is very competitive, and people are nowadays follow influencer, comedians and all these people don't follow brands until unless you are a very big brand like Apple, Zara, Louis Vuitton, something like that. You are a MSME, you are a SME, you are a small enterprise business owner, or let's say you are at a good level doing few crores of revenue every single month. But still, right now branding is something will not going to help you survive and not going to help you get clients. Branding is for companies who are already doing at least 50 to 100 crores every single year, and now they want to scale from there. But until unless if you are doing 50 crores, 100 crores minimum every single year, you need to focus on just acquiring clients, acquiring more and more projects. Forget about branding thing. See, branding is actually very expensive. If you plan proper branding strategies, if you hire a good brand building agency, they will easily going to charge you 2 to 3 lakh rupees a month. Can you give that money for the next 1 year? Do you have that kind of cash flow to survive in your business? No. Then there is no make sense that you do branding, because branding doesn't mean just posting content on social media. Branding means you doing very expensive photo shoot, not those 5, 10,000, 15, 50,000 rupees photo shoots. At least you are spending 1 to 2 lakh rupees in each photo shoots, hiring a lot of influencer, hiring a lot of models, getting a lot of shoots done, hiring a lot of influencers, hiring a good brand ambassador. These are the actual branding spectrum. By just posting content on social media and thinking you are going to get leads and results, that is not happening. So now how to fix this solution? I've already told you a lot of cons. Now let's talk about pros. How to plan your digital marketing if you're hiring an agency, if you're planning to do it by your own, or you're planning to do in-house. As a business owner, first of all, you need to learn digital marketing. That is the most important part. I'm not telling you to go join a very expensive program. Go on Udemy, go on YouTube, watch around 10 to 15 hours of any course in Udemy. You will go 1,000, 1,500 you spend, you get a really good digital marketing course. You don't need to learn the execution part. You need to learn the basic digital marketing, so that when you are meeting to a digital marketing agency, you can question right thing about your company. You can question them about their things. How right now nowadays how people are hiring marketing agencies is, yeah, this person looks good, we can hire them, but they don't know what actually he is doing. They don't know what kind of ads he's running. They don't know what kind of ad account is going through. They don't know how many leads they are generating. They don't know what is the difference between agency fees, ad budget. A lot of things are there. So if you want to hire, let's say today you want to hire an interior designer in your company, you know in and out of interior designing, so you can hire the best candidate for you. But today if you want to hire a good digital marketer, you don't know anything. How you will hire a good digital marketer? So first of all, you need to focus. Go on Udemy, go on YouTube for free. Watch, you will find a lot of playlists of a lot of digital marketing institutes uploaded for around 10 hours, 15 hours long videos. Go watch it thoroughly. Give your 1 week. 1 week is not something. If you're gonna like spend, you're gonna lose a lot of money. Go 1 week, spend 1 to 2 hours every single day, understand the basic of digital marketing, understand how meta ads work, how Google ads work, how SEO works, how social media works, how all other spectrum of marketing works. Now AI has also become an integral part of the business, so how AI works. So all these things we need to focus on, so that when you're hiring a digital marketing agency, you know what they're doing and what they're quoting you for and what kind of ROI they can deliver. Second thing, when you're hiring a marketing agency, plan to go for someone who have a really good experience in your industry. Nowadays, don't go for generic agencies who do marketing for everyone. Again, you will get into that testing phase, trial and error. They will tell you, give us 6 months, 12 months to see good results. No, go work with agency who have a already good proven path like us. Welcome to Get More Projects. You can contact us. Click on a button below in the description. You can contact us and book your consultation with us. So yep, find us someone who already have a good experience working with interior design companies, who knows in and out about your industry, not digital marketing, with digital marketing, your industry as well. The day you find someone who speaks your language, your industry language, that is the right person to work with. So go find someone who is already expert in your industry. Yeah, we charge premium than what other agencies charges. You have to pay for it if you are looking for a good solution, or you just keep doing trial and error with other agencies. So that's how it is. So they will going to charge premium. They like us, definitely I charge way more than what average agency charges in India, but we deliver that kind of quality service. You don't need to get into trial and error. So find someone who is good expert in your industry, work with them for at least 3 to 6 months. But I'll give you, if you work with us, you get an idea within 1 month, am I right fit for you or not. I'm not that kind of person who will force you to stay with us for 3 months, 6 months, 1 year to see results. 1 month you give it to us. If you see some results, we can scale. If you don't see some results, we can pause. I don't want your money for next 6 months and you hoping and praying you're going to get results. So overall, this is how it looks like. First of all, understand how digital marketing works. Do a quick 10-15 hour course on Udemy, YouTube, wherever you find. Then go interview 5-10 agencies. Find, see, make proper checklist. Like, these are the things I'm looking for in the agency. They should be in my niche. They should have a good turnaround time. They should give me the proper ROI plan. That all we give you already before you even plan to work with us. And then you can start working with them. So that's how, like, overall it looks like. If you need any help in terms of growing your business, generating consistent leads, closing more clients, feel free to click on a button below in the description. You will find a link to schedule a one-to-one consultation with us, and I'll see you on the other side. Till then, have a good one. See you there.